Enjoy the view of this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox. The Chevrolet Equinox, the small SUV with a big spirit of adventure. Passenger-friendly, loaded with safety features, and great for hauling cargo, it's an ideal family car. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, hands-free liftgate, sun, moonroof, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, heated rear seat, power liftgate, satellite radio. Enjoy the journey in the capable and comfortable Equinox. Drive it today.